Can't play the First Descendant on your PC because the 0xE3010507 error? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this error and play the game in peace. So, let's start without wasting any more time. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. First, click on the search icon and type CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, choose Run as Administrator, and click Yes. Now type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Next, type in netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. After that, check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Reinstall Nixon Game Service. To do this, open Steam, then go to your library. Next, right-click on the First Descendant. Then hover over Manage and click on Browse Local Files. Now the file manager should open up. From here, go to the M1 folder and then to the Binaries folder. After that, open the Win64 folder and then the black Cypher folder. Now double-click on ng-service_uninstall from here, and then click on Yes. Now double-click on ng-service_install and click on Yes. Lastly, restart your computer and check if that did the trick for you. Solution 3. Verify game files. To do this, open Steam on your computer, then go to your Library tab. After that, right-click on the First Descendant and select Properties. Now click on Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now, Steam will verify the game files. Once that's done, restart your computer and the error should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix the 0xE3010507 error in the First Descendant on your computer. If the video helps you solve the error, hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.